To be on top of your game means keeping your cool. And sweaty palms are definitely not cool. Introducing Zephyr, a high-performance gaming mouse with built-in fan and incredible design. The built-in adjustable fan blows a constant stream of fresh air through the open structure design. Get ready for epic battles, high-speed adrenaline adventures, and precision moves, all without breaking a sweat. With adjustable DPI, on-run switches, and incredible RGB LEDs. Together with Zephyr, you become unbeatable.